I've been able to accumulate a $150,000 stock portfolio at the old age of 26. I did this without a small loan of $1 million from my mom and dad, but by hustling, grinding, and investing wisely. I did benefit tremendously from living in the United States of America, and let me wish you all a happy Independence Day from one proud American to another. Now, it has been proven over and over again that 99% of people cannot beat the stock market, but at least for the time being, I am in that 1% that can, and I'll even show you evidence of me beating the market. During 2023, the S&P 500, which is the 500 largest public companies in the United States, is up an impressive 16.89%. That's an amazing return considering most people don't even know if we are in a recession or not. I've been able to return 22.51% in my taxable account, which means I'm doing about 6% better than the overall market. In the past 12 months, that gap is about the same, with myself being up 24.87% and the S&P 500 being up 19.59%. Now, would I have been as transparent if I was trailing the market? Hell no. You think these big financial YouTubers get rich by actually being transparent about their results? It's better to sell you a course for $1,000 and the secret formula is buying Tattooed Chef, which just filed for bankruptcy. Instead, viewers can join my Patreon for just a few bucks a month to see all my stock trades and my entire portfolio. Now, inside this portfolio, you will see major wins like I had with Nvidia, which was a pick that I have been talking about on this channel since 2019. I'm sitting on over $10,000 in unrealized gains. I have benefited heavily from the AI craze, which for years I've been telling people for years that Nvidia will lead the way. Just remember that time earlier this year when I made a poll asking people if they were gonna be buying Nvidia. This was before their most recent run-up. Yeah, I bet those 64% of people saying they wouldn't be buying are kicking themselves right now. Heck, maybe they're even doing coke at the White House. Now, Nvidia is a $1 trillion company. It's up nearly 200% this year. So yeah, there's definitely a major reason why I've been on fire this year. It's currently the only company in the $10,000 club in my portfolio, soon to be the $15,000 club. Now, am I going to be selling my shares of Nvidia for a profit? Probably not. I think Nvidia is now very overvalued, but the truth is they will continue to produce the technology that the market expects, and they will be able to justify that price in the future. Plus, what if I'm killing the golden goose in the 5th inning? Who's to say that Nvidia won't reach $2 trillion one day? If I sold now, I'd have to give Uncle Sam a solid chunk of that return so they can spend it on something stupid, like themselves. I have 4 other members in the 5K and above club, one of those being Apple, whose recent run-up has definitely helped in that category. Now, I have 3 more members in the 4K and above club, and that includes Realty, not Reality Income, a stock I've been buying on an almost weekly basis. This is a chance to get a blue chip real estate company with a starting yield of 5% and get paid monthly dividends. Now, once I get to 100 shares of Realty Income, I can start doing covered calls on O and get even more passive income. I'm always thinking about ways that I can earn more money, ways that I can get different streams of income, and not have to survive and rely on my 9-to-5 as my only moneymaker. I have 6 stocks/ETFs in the 3K club, including the fan favorite SCHD or SKID, which had its ex-dividend date a couple weeks ago and paid a juicy 66 cents for each share owned. Now, some said this was smaller than last year, but remember, SCHD or SKID gets rebalanced every year, so while the ETF ticker might not change, the constituents will. I have 15 stocks in the 2K club, including data center REIT Equinix, which is up 18.2% this year. Believe it or not, there's actually a way to capitalize on this AI craze with real estate. Now, this includes utilizing the infrastructure to transmit the large amounts of data needed to store digital information. This is expected to be a $1 trillion investment in the next 5 years for data infrastructure. Remember, the stock market is always forward-looking. They don't care about what you did in the past, so we need to find opportunities where money will be spent in the future. We already know tons of money is going to be thrown at AI. Equinix will be providing those data center REITs, providing that network infrastructure. In the 1K club, I have 9 companies / ETFs. These are more ancillary positions. Some might say that I have too many stocks / ETFs, but I think I have just the right amount that helps me sleep so well at night. Remember, an ETF like the S&P 500 SPY owns 500 different companies. So in a way, those fund holders, they have exposure to 500 different companies. And nobody ever says that they're too diversified. I also have 10 companies that are not yet over the 1K mark across my Roth and my taxable, which I'm slowly building and slowly accumulating more and more dividend checks from. Just remember, when you're on this journey, don't chase yield. Instead, chase great companies. I made this video because dividend investing, it sometimes feels so slow. Getting rich is a marathon, but over the years, my money has definitely been working for me, and I'm so excited to know what the future holds, what the next bull run will bring, and how many of us are going to become everyday millionaires on this journey. Now, I'd love to hear how your portfolio is doing. Let me know in the comments below. Remember to help out a small-time YouTuber by hitting that like button, subscribing to the channel. And an easy way to support the channel for free is to hit that Amazon affiliate link if you know you're going to be buying something from Amazon anyway, and I will receive a small commission at no extra cost to you. My videos are always found in podcast form under the Collect Cash podcast name. Thank you to all the Patreon supporters, and I will buy, stash, and collect cash you later.